Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get private server in still a brain rot game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up Roblox application and then you're going to go to still a brain rot game. And if you want to get private server, you need to go to this menu and then you can select create private server. Okay, and hold on guys, it's still loading. Okay, and if you want to get private server, you will need Robux and you will need 79 Robux to subscribe to this game, and then you will get private server for 1 month. And if you can't buy this private server guys, don't worry, because you can join your friend's private server or the other players private server, and here you can filter it to ascending, and then I'm going to exclude the full servers. Okay, and then you can join one of them. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get private server in still a brain rot game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.